Well, we're near the end. Final thoughts here. I made a little list, a little checklist. Go through it real quick. Um, but work camping, working on the road, know before you go. It's very, very important to understand all the different layers that there are to all these different opportunities in work camping. So let's check out my list. Here's what I've been following, I've been doing for many, many years. I make a 12-month travel plan. I know exactly where I want to go during the year. And maybe it's back east, up north, down south. But once I know that, then I'll start thinking about, well, what work fits me best, which would be work camping, maybe working in an office. Okay, we know that. We're going to know where we're going to go, what kind of work. Then location, location, location. That's where you zero in. And you start going to like Work Camper News, all the different sites, and start researching jobs in that area. And a lot of these campgrounds are going to post early. It's not at the last minute, so some of them post almost a year in advance. Then also, what's in your budget? How much is going to cost to get there? How much do I have to spend? How much do I have to make to afford this travel? Then build a great resume. We just went over that. Join online working groups. You bet. Networking. Don't forget the networking, like James and Joe and the others said. Get with other work campers. Once you're in there, they're going to tell you where they've worked, the good and the bad, and listen to it. Check it out. That networking is probably one of the biggest things that'll step you up into different jobs along your travels. And lastly, enjoy the experience. Why not? This is part of it. You're on the road, you're going to see different sights, meet all kinds of good people. So definitely enjoy the experience. The last thing you want to do is jump in your RV, travel 2,000 miles across country, go to a work camping job, and it doesn't work out. Wow, what do I do? Part of that planning, have a plan A, B, and C. So when you zero in on a location and you say, okay, this campground here in Rapid City, South Dakota, I'm going to go there and work. Well, try to find 2 or 3. Try to find backups. So if that doesn't work out, you know you're in an area where you might pick up other work as well. So be mindful. Plan well. Plan in advance. Because once again, if you travel that far and you spend all that money, you might be stuck. So I hope this helped you. Thank you so much for purchasing this course. You can always email me, russ@RVerTV.tv. Hopefully I can answer a question or two for you. Make sure you use the downloadable links provided here. Thanks again. And hey, happy RVing, everyone. See you on the road.